Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be making double chocolate brownies. I start by mixing my sugar and my cocoa powder together. Then I go on ahead to add my vanilla extract. While you watch me add my vanilla extract and my egg, I hope you've subscribed, hit the like button, and you've also told your friends about me, and you also follow me on Instagram at Karen's Craft. I'm going to add the egg one at a time and mix them together. I use semi-sweet chocolate and sweet chocolate. I'm adding the second egg and I'm going to mix them together. Adding the third egg and I'm going to mix them together. This is the consistency that we need. I use the mat for support beneath my bowl. It's a mini mat, it's not that big. So I go on ahead to add my flour already sifted, and I'm going to mix them together. This is the consistency that we need. So I'm going to add my melted chocolate. I melted the chocolate with my butter. The recipe is going to be in the description box below. So I'm going to combine this, and you're going to see how delicious and chocolatey it's going to look and taste also. Though you can taste it through the phone, but it tastes wonderful. So I'm going to use a 6-inch square pan, buttered and lined with parchment paper. It's best to use parchment paper. It's great for easy removal because it's brownies. How to know your brownies are done is when you insert a toothpick and this is the center of the brownies, and it comes out with crumbs around it. It shouldn't come out clean, because that shows that your brownies are going to be hard and dry. Can't you see how wonderful it looks? I just added some extra chocolate to it, and as you can see, the pan is lined with parchment paper. Please endeavor you do so. Do not bake your brownies in just a buttered and flawed pan. It might not really be great for you. Well, it won't be great for you because I've tried it before. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.